Welcome to Rare Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Today we are going to learn poem number 5, Six Honest Serving Men. And the name of the poet is Rudyard Kipling. I keep six honest serving men, they taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I send them over land and sea, I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I gave them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, and they are hungry men. But different folk have different views. I knew a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. She sends them abroad on her own office. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. Now, let's see the first stanza. I keep six honest serving men, they taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. Here, the poet personifies the question words what, why, when, how, where, and who as honest serving men. Serving men means servants. They taught me all I knew. Knew means the information or knowledge the poet already knows. And the words what, why, when, how, who, and where are meant for the six serving men. Next stanza. I set them over land and sea, I sent them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I gave them all a rest. This means that the poet has asked so many questions to this serving man, that is, all around the world, over land and sea, and from east and west means from all around the world. Third stanza. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. He tells that now it's time for rest for the six honest serving men. He gives them a rest from 9 till 5. At that time, the poet is busy and he also is busy in taking his breakfast, lunch, and tea. And he makes his servants also free to have their free time. Now, the fourth stanza. But different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps them 10 million serving men who gets no rest at all. Now here the word folk means people and different views means different thinkings, thoughts. So the poet says that he knows a person, a small person, that is a small girl, and she has many questions in her mind and she does not give rest at all. She keeps on asking questions to the serving men. Now, the fifth stanza. She sends M abroad on her own affairs. M means them. Sends them abroad on her own affairs means sends them away to other places to do her work. From the second she opens her eyes means from the time she opens her eyes in the morning till late night, her mind is full of questions and she keeps on asking questions to the serving men. 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. That means all a day her mind is full of questions. Thus, the poem is the glorification of childhood. I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you.